The experts are saying that AI is replacing traditional search engines for finding information. It's day 132 of building $1 million business in 1 year. Let's talk about what this means. Depending on who you listen to, they can go extreme with it and say, look, Google My Business is being replaced by ChatGPT or Grok or whoever, whatever platform people are using. And then you have other people saying, no, they're just complementary. And let's talk about my experience so far since we've been diving into this over the last 130 plus days and what I've learned from what we've been doing, mostly through our podcast research. They are definitely complementary. And let's talk about where AI gets its information from and how they get it and how they're going to move you to the top of the list. Because this is the thing that everybody's trying to figure out right now. All right, Google My Business has been working so good for me. I'm getting so many leads. I'm getting put to the top of the list. Now, if somebody's looking on AI for the same thing, are they going to find me? Am I going to be at the top of the list? Am I going to show up on the list at all? And what we're finding out is AI is pulling from every source that it can find, right? It's pulling from Google My Business. It's pulling from all your social media pages. If you have a website, it's pulling from there. And those are the basic ones. But as people learn to ask more specific questions or more detailed questions, AI is getting more specific with it. So how can you match with somebody? By doing your blogs. Make sure you have a blog on your website, and all those keywords will come into play. And then if you're doing interviews or if you're published in a news article or a magazine article, those are the types of things that AI is now referring to, and it's pulling the information from. Another big one, and even GaryVee's been talking about this, is going on podcasts. And it doesn't have to be some huge international podcast with millions and millions of followers. It could be a new podcast just like the Stay Broke podcast, where we're just getting started. We're getting some decent views and downloads, but it's not enough that people think, oh, it's worth my time to go in and sit down with them. But it is, because whatever we talk about in that conversation is now available for AI to grab and pull from. We sat down with Dan Wilson from Viking Mergers and Acquisitions, and he gave us some insight into this as well. He's based here in Raleigh, North Carolina, and his territory is kind of around the North Carolina area, and he's got people reaching out to him from the Northeast, which is well outside of his territory. And the reason that they're finding him is because he helped a similar client solve a similar problem. AI was able to pick up on that and tell this person searching, hey, this guy has dealt with someone just like you solving the problem you're asking about. You should contact him first. That's how he got moved to the top of the list. So as I keep doing research on clients coming in, some people are really hard to find stuff on, but people that have been on a podcast before, they have been published in a magazine, different articles. It takes me literally about 6 minutes to pull all the information I need to perform a good interview for 1 to 2 hours. But somebody that's not putting that information out there, not sharing what they're doing, has never been on a podcast, has never really done much social media, I'm having to dig. It can take me 2 or 3 hours to find all the information I need to make sure that I'm gonna be able to perform a good interview, have the right questions, and know their experience to go through it. So if you want to move to the top of the list on AI, find a small podcast, somebody that if you reach out to them, they will definitely let you come on as a guest, and that'll help bump you up in the AI search engine. So look for podcasts like the Stay Broke podcast, or if you're into photography, find a podcast that talks about photography. Whatever your niche is, there's a podcast out there that talks about it, and if you can get on that, it's gonna do nothing but elevate you in your searches in the future. So let me know what you think. Have you had any experience with this? Tell me about it down below by dropping a comment. Like, follow, and subscribe so you don't miss any of these tips. And stay broke.